Day 2 at the Youth Nationals, forecast ranging between 10 and 15 knots for the whole day. Let's see how it went.
Had the Ilkafors and Toppers racing inside the harbour here. They showed a lot of grit and determination in the shifty, puffy conditions within the harbour to get a couple of races in. Ridiculously close racing and great competitiveness. There was a lot of forcefulness but sportsmanship going on around the race course, which is really nice to see the entire fleet pushing the limits of what they can do. Obviously they've been working quite hard in the last couple of months to allow that to happen, so it's nice to see the fruits of their labour coming to the top. Overall, a very positive race day today, setting up a challenging weekend ahead with some close racing towards the front of the fleet.
The gusts were really big and the waves were really big on the downwinds as well, and it was fun.
Yeah, it was a bit weird sailing inside the harbour, but got used to it, and it was very shifty and gusty, but I think I got a third, a second, so I'm pretty happy.